What should be done with him? What should be done with him? I don't think that's true. I think you have some very definite ideas about what should be done with Danny, and I'd like to know what they are. You think maybe he should be taken to a doctor? Why do you think maybe he should be taken to a doctor? You believe his health might be at stake. You are concerned about him. Are you concerned about me? Of course you are. Have you ever thought about my responsibilities? Have you ever had a single moment's thought about my responsibilities? Have you ever thought for a single solitary moment about my responsibilities to my employers? Has it ever occurred to you that I have agreed to look after the Overlook Hotel until May the 1st? Does it matter to you at all that the owners have placed their complete confidence and trust in me and that I have signed a letter of agreement, a contract, in which I have accepted that responsibility? You have the slightest idea what a moral and ethical principle is, do you? Has it ever occurred to you what would happen to my future if I were to fail to live up to my responsibilities? Has it ever occurred to you? You've had your whole fucking life to think things over. What does it do when it's more than it do you now? I'm gonna hurt you. Wendy, darling, light of my life. I'm not gonna hurt you. You didn't let me finish my sentence. I said, I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna bash your brains. I'm gonna bash them right the fuck in. I'm not gonna hurt you. Stop swinging the bat. Put the bat down, Wendy. Wendy, give me the bat. Give me the bat. Give me the bat. Stop swinging the bat. Give me the bat. Ready? Give me the bat. Give me the bat.